welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with the more slime stuff. And so we are going to play the in or out game. If we all want to. Now I will be talking instead of doing letters because I can't do letters on my camera. So let's just get started, and I will be using the same slime. So yeah, let's get started. You are out if you have purple fluffy slime. Oh guys, and sorry about the background noises. They're seriously digging holes with the tractor in someone else's yard for new Wi-Fi or connection. So yeah. So mind that. Don't mind that. Oh yes, stop. So yeah. You are out if you have 3 siblings. You are out if you don't have a pet. Alright. You are out if you've never been to Arkansas. You are back in if you've touched slime before. You are back in if you hear this loud sound. Well, if you hear men talking. You are back in if you have ever got gum on your shoe. You are out if you don't see the slime on my hand. You are out if you hate slime. You are out if you have not hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and like this video. You are back in if you've done that. Now, and you are in if you love to try new things. You are out if you've never, ever in your life seen slime. Which none of y'all should be out. Unless it's another question. For this question, you should not be out. Because y'all all see slime right now. So. You are back in. If you think this slime is just torn apart now. you have never tried pizza. You are out if you have a green shirt on. Oh no. And you are back in if you hate bullying. You're out if you bully. You're out if you're popular at school. You're back in if you aren't popular. You are out if you have never tried ice cream with fries. You're back in if you have tried pizza with, not pizza, ice cream with fries. You're back in if you hear this click. You're back in if you love butter slime. You're back in if your favorite color is aqua blue. And last but not least, y'all are all back in if you do not or do have a boyfriend. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications. The next video will be down in the description. Thanks for watching.